This is fit for a 2007 through 2013 Acura MDX with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack's Vortex Aero ROC25 base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in black, 54 inches in length, the ROC25 legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number DK176. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.